Happy New Year, friend! Let me tell you something else that is better than the soft and luscious Filipino chicken adobo. Filipino adobo. That's right. Watch how this liquidy slurry turns into this deliciously thick and immensely flavorful sauce. Listen, if I tell you how determined I was to learn the authentic way of making this simple yet complex dish, one that has been tweaked in so many ways by so many people. Some say use a little vinegar, another recipe says use tons of vinegar. Oh well, I made sure to come up with the measurements and ingredients that produce a most authentic sauce. Dear Filipinos and Filipinas, it will be an honor to have you approve of this recipe, please. Now, as usual, the list of ingredients and detailed instructions are on the website sturvsbyiddy. The link will be down in the description box. So first off, we rinse and immerse our chicken in the marinade. Now, when you rinse your chicken, you want to pat it dry. Okay, make sure that chicken is dry. We smash our garlic and then we add the garlic to the dried chicken. We go in with our soy sauce, our white vinegar. Now, some people use other types of vinegar, coconut vinegar, rice vinegar, whatever vinegar, as long as it's vinegar. My friend who's Filipino says we should stick to the original white vinegar. So that's what we're going with. And then you go with your peppercorns, your brown sugar, and the ground black pepper. Add in some bay leaves and then go ahead to ensure that the chicken is well immersed in that soy sauce marinade. We're going to cover this up and we're going to transfer to our fridge for about 1 to 2 hours or until you lose patience. And now it's been about 2 hours since it's been in there. Suffice it to say that I do not have the patience to keep on waiting. So I'm going to get the chicken out of the marinade, drain it of the excess drippings before heating up my skillet. In that skillet, I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we can go in skin side down with our chicken pieces. We want to sear that chicken until we see that the skin has browned nicely. Just wait for it. Just wait for it, because when I toss this thing and you see the color, oh my goodness, just look at that. Look at how beautiful that chicken skin is. It is browned perfectly. I'm going to add in shallots. Now, shallots are just totally optional. You do not have to add it in. I added in my marinade. The flavor of this dish is in the cooking process. We cover this skin so that it can cook really nicely. The chicken is going to end up falling off the bone, basically. It's going to be very soft. Now, when we've cooked it for about 15 minutes, we go in with about 1 cup of water, and then we leave it open so that it begins to reduce and thicken into this beautiful slurry. Look at that consistency. It is thick, it is flavorful. The only thing you can eat with this is rice. The sauce's flavor is heavily intense, so in that case, you need something to cut it through. You get what I mean? Okay. And now that it's done, just look at that. If you want the full recipe, list of ingredients and detailed instructions are always out for you on foodsturvs.ca. I said the link is in the description box, and it is true, it's in the description box. I shall see you in my very next video. Until then, please stay safe out there. Ciao.